So that's it. That's all the basics of using Google Reader, which is Google's RSS and news aggregator. I hope by watching these videos you realize how powerful and useful Google Reader can be. If you find yourself maybe always going to the same couple of websites to get news stories or any kind of blog entry or anything like that, consider using Google Reader and putting them all in one place in a very easy to read format. And I also really like how it's really easy to discover new options by either going to the Discover link right here or just by searching something that you're interested in and then seeing what other blogs and what other websites are out there that might have information that you might find useful. And if you ever find yourself not knowing how to do something, always remember that the help is up here in the corner, and Google has a really great help center for all their products, and you can find probably pretty much anything you're looking for. They've got it all organized really well in different sections, and then also, of course, you can just search for something. So that is how you use Google Reader.